Greetings and many blessings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Nvda, aka King Solomon, trying to stay wise in life, striving to stay wise in life and in these markets. And right now it's 10:37 a.m. It's the 30th of August 2022, and I'm in a live trade on Nvda. Entry is at 157.05. We're currently getting some support here at S2, floor pivot S2 at 153.96. We had the bounce at 154.18. So let's see what's happening here. I gotta make some decisions. My original target was around 155, but I saw the weakness coming in nicely, so I put my target down at floor pivot S4. Let's see if I could find that here on the 30-minute chart. Nope, gotta go higher. Let's see. Let's make this bigger. Yeah, my target is all the way out the way. It's at around 151 something, like 151.20, just above floor pivot S4. So can't really see it on the chart right now. So we had this sideways movement since yesterday. Let me pull out my Epic pen. Right, so with this sideways movement, we're currently breaking out of that sideways movement, and we had this lower value relationship. So let me make this a little bigger. We had a lower value relationship today on the Camarilla levels. Actually, it's a overlapping lower value. So our tree is at let's see, let's make this a little bigger. I think I'm gonna go down to the 15-minute chart. That'll be a little more clearer. All right. So yesterday's S3 was at 157.87. Today's R3 is at 159.54, and S3 is at 156.40. So we have an overlapping lower value, and in the pre-markets here we had some rejection of R1, floor pivot R1. We lost R4 at let's see, what was that there, 161.13. So lost that right there, and constantly moved down in the pre-market to test R3 at 159.54, and we eventually lost R3 at the open. Tried to go short there. When we lost R3, it pulled back on me, so I stopped out above the pivot level right there. Let's see, took the breakdown of yesterday's close, but from this wick rejection right here, stopped out at break even, and then re-entered here at the break of lower VWAP, which is this green line, and right now we're just sailing down. We're probably gonna test 153.96, which is S2. Probably gonna retest that again. Let's see, I'm a secure, maybe I should secure 155.50. Right, the top of that candle right there, I'm gonna secure that. I'm thinking about actually securing 155 because that was my original target. So let's see, I think I'm gonna secure 155, and let's see what it does here at 153.96 S2. Let me go to the 5-minute chart. Right, so we have big volume. Candle is getting smaller than this previous candle right here, so we have some absorption. Some buyers are probably stepping in. Candles are kind of getting smaller. Volume isn't looking like it's rushing in too much, so let's see what the level 2 is looking higher on the ask. So probably some shorts are actually putting their let me bring that across. Some shorts are actually trying to cover their, just like how I did, the way I just set my stop down to 155, so it'll appear here on the ask at, we have a little cluster right here at 154, around 154.50. So you can see on the chart right here, that's the top of this wick. So if it pulls back there, they're trying to cover their shorts. We have a big ask at 155. So I'm part of that. So maybe price might want to pull back to that level. But I'm thinking, all right, so since we have that on the level 2, I'm gonna bring my stop to like around 154.70. Let's see if we could find that level 2 again. Right, so these guys here had a little cluster right here at 154, around 154.56. So I'm gonna stay above them right there. So let's see what happens. With these two large volume candles right there. Let me see, hold on. Right, so these two candles right here are looking like it's absorption, because we're not getting the follow through yet to break down from 153.96, the S2 floor pivot S2 level. So we're gonna test that now. Volume isn't as strong as it was previously. This is the average right here, the average line, so we gotta at least pull up to that level. We gotta get some more volume to break that floor pivot S2 level right here. Right, so we're hitting 154 right now. Let's see what it does. Volume is coming in, volume is rising. Right, see that volume is pushing in there, so pushing up. So I think we're gonna break 154. Now if it doesn't break 154, that's showing that it's a lot of buying coming in. So the volume didn't get up to previous levels, so volume is falling off. And what are we getting here? A little bounce. So we have those, let's see, those asks at 154.50 area kind of dried up. It's looking like the sellers have some confidence. They took off those limit orders. Looks like the sellers don't want to cover anymore around that level. Let's see if we could push through this S2 level. And if we do, I'm gonna bring down my stop to like 154. Let's see the top of this candle right here. Somewhere around this level here, around 154.50. I think that's cool right there. And let's see what happens. Any kind of pullback here at this S2 floor, this floor pivot S2 level, I want to kind of cover, because volume is kind of falling off. Volume is falling off right there, and so I need volume to keep rising. Like if we're falling, I need that volume to keep rising. Right, so at 153.65, I think I want to secure this level right here, 154.14. Let's see if we get that follow through. We're heading towards Camarilla S5 at 152.99. So basically 153. Let's see what it does there. We have this high volume at price level right here, so we had some good selling coming in there. These are some low volume nodes. Actually, you see it dropped down here a little bit. So this is a low volume node, so we should push through there quite easily. We should get to 153 easily. It shouldn't be a problem. I think the buyers tried to come in here a little bit, but I don't think they could handle it really. The selling is kind of intense, because we're having like a breakout from that sideways movement, and it's like a continuation from Friday. So we had that sideways movement yesterday, and now the selling is continuing. Now if we do push up from here, that's why I want my stop to be at 154.14. So anything that pops back above floor pivot S2, I'm gonna just stop out, because that'll be like $1 more. My original target was 155, so we're $1 more into my target, into profit. Volume is coming in nicely, and we're still pushing down. No wick rejection, no major wick rejection right there. And my take profit is at 151.14, so let's see if we get that today. I'll just continuously trail my stop down. Right, so it's looking like we're getting some support now. Alright, sellers coming back in again. So we have nice volume coming back up to prior volume levels. Nice push down on this candle. Right, so we're gonna attack 153 now. Once we break 153, I want to move my stop down to like around 153.70, somewhere around here. Haven't really been getting the kind of follow through I want in the market, so I'm willing to take a stop out right here, because things reverse quickly, man. So I'll take a stop out at 154. If we come back to 154 and retest S2, I'm gonna just stop out right here. Alright, so stopped out at 154. Original short was at 157.04. So caught a nice move down to 154. Approximately a $3 move, and that's cool with me today. Alright, y'all, it's King Yadaya, aka King Solomon, trying to stay wise in life and in these markets, striving to stay wise in life. And this was my live Nvidia trade. Hope you liked it. And I don't usually ask for this, man, because my philosophy is if you like the trade or if you like the video, you're gonna just like it. I don't really have to ask for likes and subscribes and stuff like that. But it's something that people always say in the videos that I look at. But I'll leave it up to you. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. Trade safe and stay blessed.